remember when you were my mamacita. We used to just chill on the beach, we'd party, I'd puff on the reefer. You get the smile on your face while sipping margaritas. I felt like a teacher, and I still think you're such a rare creature. When you say I miss you, girl, I did believe ya. Sexy even when you just rockin' shorts and a t-shirt. Just a goddess in the details, girl, you got to be real. Pack a wicked punch, can't be frail. Because we can walk up on the beach, but you might cut your feet on some seashells. With the sunlight fleeting and the shadows all reaching, it stands to reason that we both should be leaving. But don't you worry, baby, don't believe I'm just grieving. I'm progressing and giving lessons to anybody who needs them. Just learning, but I'm not certain that you and me have to close the curtain. Don't make the mistake of assuming that I'm hurting, but when I'm around you, girl, I feel like I just wanna be flirting. Hearing me say this might feel like I'm dropping a bomb, but it's beauty that killed the beast, go and ask Kong. And since I don't know where I went wrong, I could write a song.
I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart.
Baby, yeah. And I know I caught you at a bad time, and I know that you wanna act mine, no talking, you just wanna keep walking. But look at me, girl, I'm saying that's fine, it's A-okay. If what we had is DOA, I've expected it since the very day it went MIA. But I guess in the end I was hoping we could play the game. Cause you gotta admit, girl, that we had some fun. You got a smile so lethal and never set the stun. When we were rocking it, I wouldn't even care if we were living off crumbs. When I was feeling acidic, you'd just be right there with the Tums. Without you, I'm Captain Sparrow. Where is the rum? And I'd say stupid shit, you never make me feel dumb. Maybe wanna speak up and never be mum. Don't mean to be explicit, but you always made me come. Got my heart pumping like a celebratory drum. The sweet taste on my tongue always make me say yum. And even when we're done, you're still sticking on me. I guess that I stepped in your gum, but I guess that was all in the past. They say if it feels too good, then it be too good to last. And maybe I should take the residuals of this feeling and throw it right in the trash. But I never forgive myself if I lost you and didn't make one final pass. Because
I belong with you.